Good morning or good afternoon. Let's finish the story of our daily routine. I begin the story sometimes around 6:45 a.m. Notice that we say a.m., but you could also say in the morning. Notice 6:45 is also the same as quarter to 7. Quarter to 7. My sink and medicine cabinet are on the left when you enter my bathroom. In your bathroom and in your kitchen, there's usually a sink and a faucet. The faucet is where the water comes out. And normally you have hot water and cold water. The sink is where the water goes into. Sink. Usually, it is a round or a square white bowl. Really, it has a hole at the bottom, and we call that hole the drain. That's where the water goes down into the pipe. It's where the water goes out of the sink. If you want to fill your sink with water, you usually have to stop the drain. To stop a drain means to put something over it so that the water doesn't go down. So we have a faucet and we have a sink. And in your bathroom, you often have a small box, something with a mirror on it so you can see yourself. That we call the medicine cabinet. A cabinet is like a small box where you put things, but it's a box that hangs on the wall. It is attached to the wall. You can have cabinets in your kitchen where you put your dishes. So they're containers. They are things that you use to put and store or keep things. A medicine cabinet is a place where you have medicine, but also it's a place where you put your other things that you use in the bathroom. Things like mouthwash, shaving cream, razors, and so forth. We will talk about those in a second. So that's your medicine cabinet. In my bathroom, the sink and the medicine cabinet are on the left side, where you walk into the bathroom. The toilet is next to that too. The toilet is what you use to go to the bathroom, what you use to get rid of things from your body, we might say. When you are done using the toilet, you then flush the toilet. The verb to flush or flushing is when you get rid of what's inside the toilet after you are done using it, usually with water. There is a tub in my bathroom. A tub, sometimes called a bathtub, is where you can take a bath. You can fill the tub up with water and you can get into the water. Anyway, I say in the story, I turn on the light. Notice the use of the word anyway. It's common in English to use this word when you want to get back to something you were talking about before. So we say anyway. We can also say as I was saying. It means something similar here. Anyway, I turn on the lights and try to find the mouthwash in the medicine cabinet. The mouthwash, all one word. is a liquid like water, but it has something in it that helps clean your teeth, clean inside your mouth. That is a mouthwash. So you take the mouthwash and you pour a small amount into a cup. The mouthwash usually comes in or is in a bottle. This bottle you can take and you can pour some mouthwash into a cup. To pour means to take something that is liquid, like water or mouthwash, and put it somewhere else. In this case, it's a small cup.